Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those that don't know me, I am Lisabella, your girl K, Lisabella on the gram. You know what it does, what it done, damn, what it does, do, done, did, duh. And join me as we unleash whatever it does today. So as you can see by the title down below, we're getting ready. We're doing school preparations because school's starting in a few hours. So I have to get my stationery. I have to go stationery shopping. I have to sort out my transport. I have to sort out my school timetable because there's some issue. I don't know what I'm wearing. I need to clean my bedroom, and we're gonna all do that all together right now. Let's get into it. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a stationery haul, starting off with these two books that I got from Typo. It was a deal for like 2 for $150, and then with that from Typo as well, I got myself a tote bag, you know, for days where I don't need to carry much at school. Everything else that I'm going to show you now is from P&A. So I got myself some black pens, sticky notes, highlighters. The rest of the highlighters are in my space case. So I got myself some pastel highlighters, going with some pastel theme, you know what I'm saying. I got myself some lead for my clutch, and my go-to pens for when I'm note-taking, studying, and all of that jazz. And then I also got myself some sticky notes because I really like using color, and it helps me understand, remember what point is under the purple one or the yellow one or the blue one, and so forth. So the rest of the stationery that was missing from the highlighters and pens is in here. And then I also got myself a clutch pencil. And then for my studying, I got myself like 5 or 6 exam pads so that I can study and basically use that for notes taking and file it in my file. And then I got myself a pink diary. This is also from P&A. It is just a simple diary. It is a bit more serious than the other ones I've gotten, but that's okay. We're growing right, no more kids. Then I also got myself a file that matches with my diary and my cosmetic bag. Everything is pink. And inside my file I have dividers, and then I have plastic sleeves for every module. And then I got myself a planner from P&A as well. And then I got myself a cosmetic bag. This is from the Chinese shop. As you guys saw, this is my current desk setup. It is a bit boring, and that is because I'm currently looking at ordering a few like desk organization, like desk storage kind of things to make my desk look more interesting. So do stay tuned for a desk setup kind of video, or be included in one of like my vlogs to come. So now I need to sort out my school timetable firstly, because that's the most important thing. I need to email my, what do they call her? I need to email one of the lady who sends curricula from my school. I need to email her to ask her about my timetable, because there's a time or day where, there's a day where I have 2 classes at the same time. Does that mean I have to choose between the 2? So I just need to send her an email just about that. School timetable clash. So now the next thing I need to do is sort out my transportation issue. The problem is tomorrow I have to wake up so early, because Mondays I only have 1 class, and that means I have to wake up so early to catch the bus to only attend one class that is only like at like past 3, and I have to wake up at like 5 to catch the bus. So I just want to run myself some information, know exactly what time this bus gonna get. Whatever station, whatever. Their website doesn't have information about the bus stations and the times. So I'm in a little bit of a tricky situation and school starts tomorrow, yeah? So my goal for school is not to procrastinate, to attend all classes, to study beforehand, to be consistent with studying, to be open to networking, because I have had a very eventful friendship kind of experience, and I don't easily trust when it comes to friendships, so I'm looking at more of like networking with other people in that area only. My next goal is to engage in like school activities and fun events. That way I can meet new people to network with, to maybe make friends and stuff like that as well. My next goal is to stay true to myself. And now I'm moving to a whole different space where I'm meeting up with different people, and I need to stay true to myself so that I'm not pressured to do things that I don't want to do, so that I'm not easily shaken or put under pressure by other kids. So that's why I say stay true to myself. And then my next one is to fix my sleeping schedule.